Uptime matters for the driver, for the customer, because when the truck is not running, our customers are not making money. The business is not functioning properly. So it is our responsibility to make sure that when the trucks do incur issues, that our Uptime Service Center provides the best support possible to our customers. In the event of a fault code occurring in the truck, your customer is not alone. Volvo Trucks Uptime Service Center is able to track and understand the codes through remote diagnostics. So there is a real person, a real technician in Greensboro, North Carolina that is able to work the customer through the situation, also able to provide access to a Volvo Trucks Uptime Service Center to quickly find a resolution to the issue. With remote diagnostics, the customer will see benefits of understanding that there's someone else working through the situation, that the customer is not alone if there's a fault code on the truck. There are real life people in Greensboro assessing the situation so that the customer's truck can be resolved and back on the road, making money for them as soon as possible.